tree from celebrateanddecorate.com. Welcome to Home Talk. Tonight I'm going to show you a really cool way to really dress up your front door for the fall season. So let's get to work. First thing I'm going to do is I have actually had 3 of these pieces of styrofoam. They're basically 2 by 4 by 12 inch. We're going to cut these into vertically, like so. Now I have my 3 pieces. I have a 6-foot piece of wood trim. This is just your basic trim. I was looking for something very lightweight because we're gonna hang this from a command hook. Now the command hook I'm hanging it from is rated for 7 pounds, and I'm gonna do some additional command to hold this up, but I'll show you how to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and use low temp glue and hot glue these on to the board. And you can see I did not measure, and there we go. Those are all on there. We're gonna set our glue gun aside. So this is a garland that I picked up on sale. What I'm gonna do is take it and lay it on top of the styrofoam. I've taken 2 pipe cleaners, hooked them together, and up here at the top, I am going to wrap these around the wood and the garland, because that garland is going to keep, and we're going to spread this out a little bit, the garland is going to keep that pipe cleaner from cutting through the styrofoam. And then we're just going to take it and tighten it really tight, like so, and then we'll come back and cut those off. And then I'm going to do 1 around the styrofoam. So you see that glue is not the only thing that's going to be holding your styrofoam on the piece of trim, okay? And this is what you have now. But we're going to add to this and really dress it up and really build a fantastic garland. I have gathered a selection of fall leaves and foliage and a bunch of picks, like so. And now I'm going to start with some of this foliage. And if it has a stiff enough stem, you can just stick it right into the styrofoam. This one does not, so I'm going to put a steel pick on it. Now I want this to go up high enough that it's going to cover the top of that. And then I'll also do one that goes over my front door. Now these seem pretty stiff, so I think that these will poke right in, and that might be a deciding factor in what you buy. See how that will go right into the styrofoam. And we're just going to build this up with foliage now. All right, when you've got a good deal of foliage added, it's time to start adding our fruit and our other little picks to it. Yes, we're probably going to have to add some more foliage, but I want to see where I'm going to need to add it. So I'm going to take my fruit that I and I'm going to cut these skewers so they're a little shorter, and I'm going to start to add fruit to the styrofoam, just like that. I'm going to add that in a variety of ways, and then same thing, I'm going to add these picks. I'm going to stick one in up here at the top, so we make sure that we cover the top. I'm going to come down and add one right here. And you're just going to want to keep working on this to cover all of the styrofoam and to get the look, the full look that you want. And I want mine to look really, really full. See if I can get this to hang up without me climbing up on the ladder. So I have my little hook right here that I made. Yes, it did. Now I wanted to show you, this is going to move around, so I have an answer for that. I'm going to use these kind of command strips, the kind that are the Velcro for hanging a picture. You're going to hook 2 of these together, like so. Push them really tight, and then you're going to peel off to expose the sticky side. And what we're going to do, I hope you can see this, maybe right here, is we're going to stick this right on the back of the wood, like so. I probably shouldn't have pulled that all off yet. See that? I don't want to let it stick on yet because I want to put another one. And see, this is the way we should have done it, is to put it just like so, press really hard, and then peel that off. And now we're just going to press that right against the door frame, okay? Now I can see where I need a few more things, and I'm going to go ahead and continue to build it up and fill in. But at some point you have to bring it out and outdoors, go ahead and hang it up to see where your empty spots are. And make sure you look at it from the side also. If you come around to the side here, you can see where the styrofoam is exposed, and you want to make sure that that's all covered. But I've done this so that it coordinates with my wreath, and we're going to do another one for this side, and I will show you when I have them all done. So here we are. The entire front door is all finished with these beautiful pieces down the side and a wreath and a part over the top to match. And I am all ready to welcome guests or to have passersby enjoy this beautiful display. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you again the next time on Home Talk.